Carbon tetrafluoride Lewis structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron and fluorine has 7 valence electron, but here we have 4 fluorine atom, so multiply by 4, so we are getting 4 plus 7 times 4 20, 32 valence electron totally. This 32 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atom together. For connecting, just use 2 dot. Okay, so we have connected 5 atom together, and for connecting we use 2 4 6 8. Now we have to satisfy the octet of outer atom. The central atom is carbon because it is least electronegative, plus it has the highest capacity of making bond. Every fluorine can form one bond, but this carbon can form 4 bond. However, now satisfy the outer atom, the octet of outer atom. 2 4 6 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. Already we have used all the valence electron. Now count for octet. Octet, 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 octet. And also this is the octet of central atom. Okay. So this is the Lewis dot structure. You can replace this bonding pair by a line or dash. So this is the structure formula or writing the Lewis dot structure. That's about it.